Okay, in this section of the project, to buy or not to buy, you're going to be given some different information and determine whether it's something that should be purchased or not. So the example they're given on this page is you're spending $3 a day at Starbucks and you're looking at an $80 coffee maker, and if it saves the $3 a day, uh, you should look at that. So we're going to be looking at a loan that we're going to have to figure the cost of. In this first problem, Mary is using the laundromat every week and it costs $5. So you're going to have to find her yearly cost for the laundry. So $5 a week. And then you're going to have to find that total cost for 5 years because we're looking at a 5-year loan to buy the washer and dryer. So you're going to compare the two items and find out whether it's a better object to take the loan out or whether it's better not to take the loan out. We're still going to be using the simple interest formula, and there's a few different things that you're going to look at and try to determine whether it should be done or should not be done.